All right, so we're gonna do this cold start drill first. You start at 7 yards with 6 rounds, and you're gonna shoot 3 and 3 as you're moving up, and then you're gonna put 2 and then 1, 1, 1, 1 after you perform a reload. So we'll do this one first. 19 with the T-Rex arms, sidecar holster. Time to pass is 11.5 and expert is 8. I'm not gonna get 8, but let's shoot for 11.5. Make sure my dot's good. Had a malfunction. Well, I had one malfunction, but so that was awful. This 1620, the malfunction like slowed me down. I was debating on whether I wanted to scrap it or keep going, but it's a cold start drill, so I kept going. But we got 2 here. That's good. These are good. I pulled this one out. That's on the line. That's on the line. That's a miss, and that's on the line. So all of it's clean except for this one and that one. But the time was slow because of this shitty bullet right here. Again, hopefully no malfunctions, and I can pass. Reloading, clean target. That's terrible. I pulled like one like out here. No, yeah. And then this one was a miss. This one I pulled like down here somewhere. And this one I pulled down here. So pretty shit. I was trying to hit the time because I got a bad grip when I pulled out. So, but my time was 11:92, so still a little slow with all those misses, but that's why we train and practice. So try one more time and then I'll switch to a different drill. See if we can get a better score. Well, I definitely sped that one up. 10:51. It would be a pass, but I threw that one out. And then this one I threw low. So 2 out, oh, and that one. So first one I had 2 off. Second one I had 2 or 3 off. And then this one I have 3 off. I did get my time down a little bit more, but that just shows more to work on. That was close. This one I yanked down. I felt it in my trigger press, but you know, we all got room to improve. So I'm gonna try another one now. All right, now we're doing a tier 1 concealed cold start drill from 10 yards, and I'll like explain it after I do it. Expert time is 10.5. It doesn't say what passing time is. I'm not really an expert, so probably won't make it the expert time, but we'll see. Well, I don't know why I dropped my mag. I thought I was reloading again. I forgot. I don't even have another mag on me. I don't know what I was thinking, but we have this one, and this one, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I just pulled the first one, then left hand and the right hand. So pretty garbage. And the time was 19.05. Awful. Let's try not to suck. So that was 12.99. So basically 13 seconds. Expert time is 10. I don't know what passing is, but I feel like that's pretty close to passing. I don't know. There's my first 2. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 1. And I barely dropped this one. So sucks about the right hand. I'm not right-handed, I'm left-handed. So probably could work on offhand shooting a little bit more, but not terrible. And yeah, I like this a lot better. To explain what I was even doing. So yeah, this one, I have to start at 10 yards and then shoot 1 and 1 and then move forward and reload and then shoot 6 right here and then use my left hand, 1 with the left hand and then 1 with the right hand. All right, so this is the 3-7s drill. You're gonna start at 7 yards and then shoot 7 bullets. 1 here, 2 here, slide lock reload, 3 here, 1 here. So any shots breaking the line are considered in. I don't really see a time for this, but I saw them do it, and oh yeah, 7 seconds. Okay, I saw them do it, and it was hard for them, so it's probably going to be terrible for me. So we'll see. But I got 1 in the gun, 2 in the mag. And that one's so small. They both are. That 1 inch, that's so tiny. Beautiful. We're gonna restart that.
Roll sound.
Rolling.
Sound production, take 2.
Well, I messed that up. I shot at both the 1 inches first, and you're supposed to go. You're supposed to go 1 inch, and then 1, 2, and then slide like reload. 1, 2, 3, 1. But I went 1, 1, and then 1, and then reload. Another 1. So I can't remember simple instructions.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
That last one was double the time because of all the mess ups and malfunctions. I'm gonna try to get the order right and get all the hits in, and then I'll do it one more time and try to like get through it as fast as I think I can. So we'll see. I did it again. I went 1, 1, 1, reload, 1, which I got it in the same paper, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I think I did. I think that's 1. I mean, I think that's 2. Because I remember I remember hitting that pretty well. And then 1, 2, 3. So I pulled that one. The time was 13 seconds. Pretty garbage. I don't know why I keep wanting to go. I just want to get the hard ones out of the way first, I guess. But I'm messing up. It needs to go 1, 2, reload, 3, 1. All right, so now we're gonna do a crisscross drill where it's gonna go 2 to the body, 2 to the head, 2 to the body, and then you come up, 2 to the head, 2 to the body, 2 to the head. It's gonna be 2 in both A zones is on each target, hopefully, both A zones. So. Okay, so that was in a 925, 9.25. 2 A's, pulled this one down, 1 A. 2 A's, 2 A's, 2 A's, and then pulled this one down. So we had 2 C's, the rest of them alphas, in 925. Again. Okay, well, I messed up the order a little bit there.
You gotta do better.
But the hits are all good, so let's go check them out. So we'll start with this side. I went, when I started, we can actually start here. When I started, I went 1, 2, which that one's still in. So 2 A's, but I went 1, 2, and then 3, 4. So 2 A's again, and then I went 5, 6, but instead of going up like I should have, I came and shot 1, 2, and then had to switch back over for these. But anyway, we worked it out. All A's. I like the groupings on the head. They look real nice on all these. The only bad grouping one was really this one. I was fumbling my grip out of the holster a little bit. Still got the hits on target though. And all the other hits were good. So that was in a time of 11:51. We're going to do it again. .24, so I was 3 seconds faster. I did pull one over there, but I think this one's the line breaker over here. Let's go check it. So we had 2 A's, 2 alphas. That's the line breaker, so 2 alphas. And then we had another line breaker right here. But I think that that's an alpha, but it could be considered a Charlie. Just depends on what like measurement y'all use. If you think that the majority is in C, then it's a C, or if it's a line breaker, then it's A. Either one, kind of a bad shot, but we got these 2 in, and then these 2, and then I pulled this one. This one was just my trigger press, but this one, when I was leading from here to here, I shot one off a little too early, just barely too early, but I did get 3 seconds faster on that one, so we will try again. All right, so we're gonna try it again. Time to beat is 8.24, and we're gonna try to get it clean this time.
I think we all know where this is going, so let's just skip to the end.
So it was a 9.25, so a little bit slower, and then I pulled that one, and then I pulled both of these. Trying to work on my trigger press, my transitions, and my side picture. So. That was a little bit slower because I stopped because I was mad that I pulled that one. But so it was a 9.25, so a little bit slower. And then I pulled that one, and then I pulled both of these. But I shot both of these in the same hole. So both of these are alphas, alpha, 2 alpha, 2 Charlie. I mean, yeah, we're just gonna count that as Charlie. Alpha Charlie, 2 alpha. All right, so I did some more shooting and some more drills and stuff off camera. I didn't think y'all wanted to see any more of the crisscross drill. I did that a few more times and it was getting repetitive. So did some more shooting, but we're ending out the day. Good range day. We're always trying to train and get better. So I'll see y'all next time.